Seems like they still may be trying to do that UN copter cover up pass before sunset. This guy's sitting here and he's floating. He's not just going to cover up, he's moving dependent upon me. And he's not harassing me. Like they always, that's the same constant. They try to, it's like they're dependent on you, like they're involved with you. But this time I'm not even participating and he's not doing a cover up and he's doing it. So he just crossed the street. Now he came here. Oh, it's because they're doing a double up sound right there. So he's coming this way and there's another right out here. Now here he is coming towards me, so he turned and came across and now he's coming back. I think he wants a soccer ball, because he's very low. Could easily catch one. It's amazing. It's only 100 feet just on my head flying down towards Solero Oliveira. What's the point in even recording it? Here he is right here. And so he's not leaving, he's going. I mean, if I wish someone of authority was here to see this clown, how low he is and how slow he's going on my roof. It's like he's going to crash. He's just going so slow and he's only 100 feet. It's like he's trying to land on this roof. There he is right there. Now he's turning that way. And so they're telling him to do this because they're watching my live feed. And they're like, hey, it's not showing up well. Do whatever the hell you want. So right now he's flying straight back across the fireman's house from his front at the street towards the back. And it's parallel to the wall of the side yard of my house. So he's right there. And he is, see that tree in relation to it? He's right here. So he's totally pleased with himself right now. That's one thing I used to always think. It would be awesome to be stupid because everything would be great. So messed up. There he goes. Now he's just gonna be back in a second. It's all covered up, George. So the path was across the street, then here over my head, then here, and now he's out there. And so you're gonna get a feature film with that and be like, look, they flew around low all the time. For instance, back in 2015, this guy flew around.